Hi guys, it's Michelle Escalin. If it's your first time here, welcome. If it's not your first time here, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing my second Stitch Fix box. Here it is. It's $20 a month or $20 each time you order it. It's a styling fee that you pay. Anything that you buy, the $20 styling fee that you paid gets deducted from what you would pay for the item. So it comes with a bag, a USPS bag. You can put whatever you don't want to keep in it and ship it back to them. Here's what the inside of the box looks like. So this comes with it. It's a little style guide of different things that they recommend to put with different things. Down below, I am going to put a referral code. If you do use that referral code, I do get a $25 credit towards my account for my next purchase. So I just wanted to disclose that. But if you want to use it, I'm not going to complain. I could use all the help I could get affording these things, right? Okay, it says, "Hi Michelle and happy Fix Day. I hope this note finds you well today, and I just want to say thank you for allowing me the opportunity to style you once again. Before we dive in, thank you so much for the video. I absolutely loved it. How come you didn't end up going with the skirt? It looked adorable on you." Honestly, I didn't go with the skirt because I couldn't think of very many places that I would be wearing it, but I keep thinking about it, so I might actually request to have it sent in another box and so I can get it in the future. With that, I see that price was certainly a factor in the last fix, so I have kept these pieces a bit more wallet friendly, including the Vigoss straight leg jeans. Thank you. I am on a budget. What do you think of this fit? I also included a fun kimono by Emory Park that will look great with the burgundy Papermoon blouse. And lastly, and knowing that you would like to receive footwear often, thoughts on the MIA sandals? I love this pair because its versatility of color. I hope you enjoy trying on your pieces, and I can't wait to hear what you think. XX Lauren. Well, thank you, Lauren. That's a very nice note that you put in there. Okay. Let's get to it. What I'm going to do today is, when I'm showing you something after I'm done explaining the item, I'm going to do my little Vanna White thing, and over here it will be a description of the item, how much it costs, all that fun information, so that if you're interested in getting Stitch Fix for yourself, or if you already have it and you want to order that item, you know how to get it. Today I am wearing a little crop top that I got from Target. It says Weekends right here. I think this was in their junior section. It was in a 2X. I actually found it on the clearance rack a week or two ago for $5 or $4.50 or something. It was a really good price. And then these pants that I'm wearing, these are crop denim jeans. These aren't as high rise as I like. Below my belly button, I like things above my belly button. But I do really like these Denizen jeans by, who are these by? Levi's, I think. Seem to be a little bit more durable for my curves. They don't fall apart as fast. This first top, look at these. Look at these sleeves. Aren't these cute? They've got like a little, I would call this like a tulip cut. I don't know what it's actually called. I'm not a clothing designer, but they've got the little poof right here, and then they've got the cut. So for someone like me with big arms, this is really nice. And it's got the pleating right here, so it fits my bust really nicely. And there's even a little more room in here. I'm not mad at it. I love this color too. There's a little bit of room on the sides, and if I sit down, it does get a little bit tighter, but I still have enough room to where I don't feel like I'm ripping the shirt apart. So, here's the information on the shirt. I love this color. It feels like a polyester kind of blend. It doesn't have stretch to it, but it's loose enough to where I don't care that it doesn't have stretch. And because I have broad shoulders, I think that this cut up here kind of adds a little more dimension to my shoulders. I don't look so much like, you know, like a bodybuilder. So I do really like this shirt, and I feel like it is cute with jeans. It'd be fun on just wearing out for a date. I think I could dress it up with maybe a pencil skirt or a longer skirt. I think that'd be really cute too. Or even, you know what? I think it would be cute with my white slacks that I have too. So I feel like I could wear it to quite a few different types. And with the pants, these jeans are Vigoss. They're medium wash. It says they're mid-rise, although it goes high enough up to where I'm not mad at it. They're very comfortable. Here's the butt. I like my butt in these jeans, I'm not gonna lie. Here's the information on the jeans. Okay, Lauren mentioned the Emory Park kimono and that she thought it would look nice with this top. Here we go. What do you think? There's plenty of room in here. Now this one, if you wanted, you could tie it in the front. So depending on what you're wearing, or if you're out and it's really windy, you could tie it in the front. You could wear it over a bathing suit. You could wear it with a tank top. You could wear it with a dress. You could wear it with this. And this does have the sleeves sewn in. So that's nice. It doesn't feel like it's falling off my body or anything. So it's a nice size. I feel like this one is made for my body. Okay, here's the information on this kimono. And this is just, let me take it off so you can take a closer look here. It's a sheer fabric. It looks like it would go good with a lot of different colors. There's no stretch to it. This one is a 2XL. Maybe that's why I feel like the fit is a little bit better. That's one thing that I really don't care for, is so many of the cover-ups are a one-size-fits-all, which means it's not going to fit over this ass, right? This is the next top. I really like this. It's sheer up here and stretchy. And there's plenty of room in the shirt. I feel like with both of these shirts and with the kimono, if you're a size larger than me, or if you have a larger bust, I think either one of these shirts would fit just fine. Yeah, there's plenty of room in here. It's got a lot of stretch and give in it, but then it bounces right back to its original size. I really like this though. I think it's really pretty. I'm really getting into the leopard prints now. Now granted, I probably wouldn't wear it with this bra, and I would probably wear my hair up with this because of the pretty back on it too. Here's the information on this tank top. Look at this cute little bag that the sandals came in. I really like that. You could just put it in there, put your sandals in there when you're traveling. That's really nice. Here's the sandals. I really like these. I do feel like they're a little bit tight around here on the band, and I feel like I'm coming over on the back. Lauren, I do like these. If you're interested, maybe you could send me a size 11 in my next box. They just seem a little snug for my chubby feet. They're super cute though. I put my regular outfit on again since I'm not sure. I haven't decided yet what I want to keep. I didn't want to sit on the floor and get, you know, any cat hair that might be on the carpet on the clothes. I'm hot from trying on all those clothes and I wanted to throw my hair up, so sorry. I was trying to leave it down. It's still air drying from my shower earlier, but sometimes you just gotta throw it up. It's just too hot. It's last time I checked, I think it was 93 outside today, and the humidity is through the roof. Before I get started on what I thought of the clothes, I did want to let you guys know I will not be doing a Stitch Fix in July. I really love Stitch Fix. I'm not planning on going anywhere, but as many of you know by now, I think I mention it in every video, I'm moving. And I will not be moving into my new place until the end of July. So once I get my address set up, I will order the next box, but I don't see it coming before August. My stylist's name is Lauren. So if you're interested in getting a Stitch Fix, or if you have one and you're not real happy with your stylist, I highly recommend Lauren. I feel like she's been taking really good care of me. I had a heck of a time with the last Stitch Fix picking what to keep. And because of my move, I'm trying to spend as little as possible. But it'll be a lot easier to buy more clothes after I get moved. Which is why I'll probably ask her to send me that skirt later on. Because I did really like that blue skirt. I just really liked the black top too. And I figured between now and when I get out to Vegas, I probably will wear the black top multiple times, whereas the skirt, I probably wouldn't wear till after I got out there. See here. So with the sandals, I do really like them. My only problem with them was the size. So Lauren, if you're watching, if you're able to send a size 11 in the next box, I'd like to try those on and see how they feel. That mesh top panel knit tank top, that was really comfy. It was very soft. I really like it. The kimono, I love the kimono. I love the fit of it. I like that it's a 2X and that I can close it if I want. That's actually, I don't know if any of you saw my previous video with Trunk Club. I think I might actually get this kimono and not the Trunk Club one because of the fit. Apparently I nailed it with that blouse. It's called the Bastille Tulip Sleeve Blouse. Maybe I know more about fashion than I thought I did. I love that top. That, out of the whole box, probably my favorite thing. I really like it. As far as the jeans went, I'm okay with the price. But if I'm going to spend that much, I would like a pair of jeans that's a little bit more tapered on the ankle. So if you have those jeans with a cut that is a little bit narrower down at the ankle, please send those to me. I'd love to try them on and see how they look. I'm trying to stay away from jeans that are looser on the ankle. They just don't feel as comfortable to me, and I can't really explain it. I'm just not really as into those. But I tend to like high-rise jeans, and even though they said mid-rise, they went over my belly button, so to me that is high-rise, and I did really like that. I liked how soft they were. They're very comfortable to not just stand in, but to sit in. You know, one thing I really like about these jeans too in particular, look at how big the little pocket is. I like that. I could actually put something in there. So that's actually quite appealing to me as well. But these are called, well, okay, made with super soft stretch denim. I agree, it's very soft. That's why I want to try them with a narrower ankle, because I'm probably going to get them if you have a pair that are like that. Luxurious, soft fabric that is super slimming, redefines your body shape, giving you the ultimate fit and comfort. Yeah, I did feel like these looked pretty good on me. I liked my butt in them too, you know, if I can say that. And these are the Marley straight. It's funny they say straight, because to me they kind of went out a little bit at the ankle. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Jeans have these lines right here in the dye. I like that even more, this little distressed look. I love it. I love the look, and I feel more comfortable wearing a crop top with them. Okay, the total of this box is $207. If I were to buy everything in the box, I would get a $25 discount, which would be a discount of $51.75, bringing the order total to $155.25. And then I would also get a purchase credit for my $20 styling fee that I paid. So the total would be $135.25. Not bad. Not bad at all. What did you guys think? Are you guys Stitch Fix members? If you are, do you like Stitch Fix? I'm really loving it. This is my second box, and I just cannot wait to keep getting these boxes. I would have to say that this box for me is a 5 out of 5. I really like it. I'm really happy with it. I feel like my stylist listened when I said what I like. That's kind of a big deal because, as you see if you've been watching my videos, I don't always feel like people are listening to me. I'm not going to throw any shade and, you know, call it any names, but I don't feel like everybody listens. But Miss Lauren at Stitch Fix has listened to me both times. And I'm really happy about that. If you were me, what would you keep? Are you thinking about getting any of these items for yourself? And I would really like to get some feedback about what boxes you want me to get. Which ones do you like to see? At this point, let's see, I've done Dia & Co., I've done Wantable, I've done Stitch Fix, and Trunk Club. If there's anything else you want to see, let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye!